Trace, the writer. In 30 days, he's writing his novel on Trace, the writer. Follow along with him on YouTube.
Well, folks, it is day 22, and today I'm going to talk about writing and then editing. But before that, quick shout-outs. First, yesterday I put out a call to bet me on whether I could write 54,000 words in 9 days. Shout out to Piotr Sensei, who instead of betting me $100, offered to break my wrists. Thanks, Sensei. Second, shout out to Nick. Thank you very much for the note of support. I appreciate it, brother. Look, yesterday I dropped the gauntlet.
That's a lot of freaking words.
Nobody took me up on it, which tells me you all think I can do it, which means the feat is not that impressive. So, let's sweeten the pot. 54,000 words by May 2nd, except that one of those days, I have to write 10,000 words, about 10 hours of straight writing. I don't think I've ever done that before in my life, so if you'd like to bet $100 on it, here's your chance for some quick money. Although, I'm really gonna try. Anyway, it is day 22. I did 6,000 words today, and people have been asking me to talk more about craft, about how I actually write a whole novel. So my main trick, I've been writing for 15 years. I have an MFA in fiction. I've taught English and writing in college, middle school, high school, to elementary school students. I've literally written textbooks about this, well, parts of them. And my one trick, my biggest trick, and it's this. And it took me 15 years to get to this, by the way, but it's very simple. I write first, and then I edit later. I treat them as two different things. I don't go back and reread every paragraph that I wrote and marvel in their beauty or their horror. I don't go off to research maritime law, and most importantly, I don't listen to the critic in my head. The one that says what you're doing isn't good enough, that you should stop, that it's dumb, that you'll never be Stephen King, and all you have to do is not listen to it. You just keep going forward. Chances are that the voice in your head, the critic, is right. But you gotta get those words down in order to later make them better. Don't confuse editing with writing. Writing is your pen literally moving across the page, putting ink blots behind it. Editing is taking those ink blots, moving them around, and making your work prettier and more fun to read. But that comes later. Just like as an architect, you don't try to live in a house that you haven't built yet, because living and designing a house are two different things. Anyway, it's been real, folks. I've dropped gauntlet number 2. $100 says I can write 10,000 words in a day. That's a lot. So come on, I need a foil. Anyway, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all soon. Maybe tomorrow with another 10,000 words, or at least 6. All right, take care.